Season's greetings, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you something I've received from a very high-end watch brand, completely unexpected. Today I'm going to be showing you what this company sent me. Quite a large brand, Omega. They sent me this, so here's this really nice card they've given me. It has an Omega front, some nice snowflakes on it. They then given me this inside. Season's greetings from the team at Omega UK. We hope you enjoyed special moments this festive season with your family and friends. Thank you for choosing Omega, and we wish you all the best for 2022. Warmest regards, the Omega team. Nothing on the back, nothing inside there. Nice though, just plain back. So what have they sent me? Well, that's an interesting part, so I'm going to get to that now. Along with a copious amount of packing peanuts, they've sent me this. Now this is quite heavy, to be honest. I'd say it's about 400 grams, 500. It looks really nice, really high-end card. I really do like the look of it. So what's inside? Well, let's have a look, shall we? So if we peel this up and out, we have a mirror finished Omega sign there. So it says Omega at the top. What's underneath? It's a candle. Omega have sent me a candle. Now, I don't know why, but we can take it out. This is what it looks like. It's got an Omega logo there at the front. It smells really good. Let me try and take a whiff and try and characterize this for you. Really floral, very lavendery-like. I really do like the smell of this. I don't think I'm ever going to burn it though. I'm not massively into candles, but I'm going to appreciate this gesture and keep it on display somewhere. Thank you so much, Omega, and thank you so much for watching this video.